What's up? Welcome to my next video. In this video I'm going to be drawing gesture poses, and also don't forget to give a like and a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't, so I can make some more tutorials like this. And now for this, I'm using the tool Figurosity again, and I'm using the quick pose feature, and I think I have each pose set on 1 minute to kind of, I'm doing kind of a test to see how fast I can get the pose done. So right now I'm focusing on getting the body in before I got to the head. So I'm putting in a circle for the shoulder, for the arm, and usually for gesture poses they're real quick, so I'm not focusing too much on detail. I'm just throwing it down quickly and as fast as I can before the 1 minute mark is up. That's kind of a way of getting me warmed up to practice, and I can do probably 100 of these a day depending on my schedule. But this one is almost done, and I try to have the poses pretty varied. I didn't put I think I turned off the option to have the top down view, and I think I turned off the option for another particular view. I wanted to focus on just the side plane on the right side, or is it right or left, I'm not sure. But and so for this one is a challenging one, only because it's not the typical fit person that's in this particular pose, and you have to work with a lot more curves. And right now I just took to where I made each shape, I just enlarged them a little bit more, so just to make it where you can see the thickness of the body, to make it look more heavier. And so a lot of times easier way to get a pose done is just to make the shapes, the top half, the bottom half, put a line in between, and that middle line will show you where to put everything else to line it up. Now for this one's kind of a slightly tricky pose. I mean, one leg is far back, one leg is in the front, and when you're posing, doing a type of figure like this, you're putting the certain things in perspective. So that leg up top would probably be fairly a little bit smaller compared to the leg on the bottom. Since I'm doing this pretty quick, I didn't really focus on the leg. I should have made that a little bit smaller, but I was on a time frame, so I'm trying to throw these down quick. But as you finish and as you go through it, when you go back and you can fix them all up, and later on you can turn it into one of your characters, or change around the arm, or move the leg up a little bit and hook it up a little bit more. Right now I'm putting in some curves. Sometimes right before the time is over, I'll just add the last minute curves in to kind of define the shape a little bit more. Now this one has lady kick in front, and for all these poses I chose all females for this one, because I wanted to show, I think I drew a lot more men in most of my recent posts, so this time I wanted to focus on drawing a lot more females in this one. And I may draw some other videos with females also, so I'm not drawing so many guy characters all the time. I'm getting that leg. You can't see the feet that much because of the foreshortening, or the way the foot is angled. I'm getting the last minute curves in, because I only got like 12 seconds left to go, so I'm just filling in as much as I can. And also don't forget to check out Figurosity, link in the description below, and also the tools that I'm using, I also have links below for those also. And now it's another shape. I think it's another fairly thick shape, so I'm just throwing in shapes. Throwing in shapes is the fastest way to get it done. Just throw the shapes in first, drop them down, start adding curves in last, and you'll start forming a pose. Right now I'm curving out a little bit. Sometimes I'll do the head first, and sometimes I'll do the head last. It all depends on the pose. This particular pose, I did the body first. I think all these I did the body first and then the head last. But some poses, depending on how difficult they are, I can spend the time doing the head first before I get to the rest of the body. And you kind of just use whichever best methods that you want to use to drop the pose down really quick. This one, it's just more of a side view. It's kind of an easier view to do, and I'm just dropping in the big shapes. And it's always good to practice this. That's about every day, every other day, as long as you're doing it often. Keep your brain fresh on drawing. And that's it for this video. And make sure you get that practice in. Practice gesture poses really fast. Time them. Try not to give you don't want yourself to be too comfortable. And hopefully you'll be able to get better. All right, take care.